I want to introduce you to the Sift Kit. This is 20 plus years of me sifting lavender in a really old-fashioned, tired, worn-out way. And this is what I spent my winter doing this year in 2024. This is a mobile little kit. It can be taken anywhere. I think I've designed it specifically for lavender, but I think it could work for any kind of herb, really. So let me show it to you. You see it's a box, not too big, not too heavy. The Lavender Lorry Sift Kit. You've got a lid. I'll show you the unpacking of it. And the box itself just fits nicely into that lid, so you have a nice working area. There's a brush. There's a binder clip, a little toothpick, and this is where the magic starts. You've got a mat, and you've got a screen, and you can see the top is marked top. The mat fits nicely, custom made to fit right in there. Inside the box, you can see this one has loaded, and I could load it with either 6 or 12 bouquets if you don't have your own lavender. It would make a nice little kit. You get approximately, give or take, an ounce of buds off of one bouquet. It's a rough estimate, and it all depends on how big your bouquets are. Mine are 150 to 175 stems. These are the crossbars. There's 2 of those. You can see there are notches cut both sides of the box. So those might be folded up when you get it and you want to fold them in. There's also, this is the catchment screen. It's just a piece of fine mesh. And the bouquets. So I have 6 of them in here, so we can do a demonstration. I'll take those all out, and that will be it for the unpacking, and I'll show you how to sift, how to set it all up and be ready for sifting.